All Kwakta Youth Voluntary Organization Students Wing na sinduna mamang thagi tang 12da Anita Standard High School Kwaktada pangthokkiba First Inter-School Open Quiz Competition da makok mathang tarakrabasingi manayen thokpagi thawram amang ngasi Multipurpose Community Hall Kwakta Bazar da pangthokre. Thawram aduda Amukogi President Sorokhaibam Sanjoy, Vice President TH Norendro, Ampakogi President M Salamat Ali, AKYVOG Chief Advisor Alhas Anwar Ali, Anjuman Kwaktagi President Maulana Abdul Kalam, Social Worker MD Fakaruddin Amadi, MSF ki General Secretary KH Rabikanta Khangan bana athoiba mitunglen oina sarukya ki. Thawram aduda quiz competition na makok mathang tarakrabasingda cash prize, certificate amadi achamba khudol piduna ikai khumnaba utki. Thawram aduga mari leinana Amukogi President Sorokhaibam Sanjoy na fongdokhibada khwaidagi fazaba dharma asi mi amana mi amabu nungsiba, mi amana mi amabu ngakpiba, khunai asida awanba ama purakpa aduni. Lamdam asi sports, culture khakta natana research kaya leiba lamdamni adubu thokliba irang asina maramoiduna miyam pumba khamthengna ware. Aikoi kudingmakna iramdam asibu kannanabagidamak iramdamna mangda thamduna tuhatpiraba naihatpiraba singidamak achauba ihau kaya changsinduna hanagi punsida hanjilaknaba achauba daita lauminarasi haiki.
Grazie.